Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you may be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel and I say happy new month to you as today is the first day of the month of September year 2021. Happy new month to you all. Okay, in today's video I will be telling you some cryptocurrencies that you need to buy in the month of September. That is best cryptos to buy in the month of September. As we all know that cryptocurrency is one of the ways whereby you can make money online when you buy at low price and you sell at high prices. So you are going to make money in a short period of time or in a particular period of time. So and you need to have the right information on those special coins that have the affinity to rise in this month of September. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end as I share with you my documented information on some coins that need to buy in the month of 2021. So that is what I have for you here. But before I go deep into today's video, I say welcome to you once again to Lasojoni Biztalk. This video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasojoni Biztalk, and in this channel I discuss with you I give to you financial education, not financial advice. And if you have any question concerning this video, or you are somehow optimistic on the decision to take, you can chat me on my WhatsApp number, you can call me on this phone number, and through my email address you can contact me. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping some frequent announcements on how you can make money online. And also, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware and notified whenever I have new updates, new information on how to make money online for you. All right, let's go to the business of the day. Best cryptos to buy in September. Best cryptos to buy in September. So in view of that, I will be taking you to the coin market capitalization to see the situation, to see the price of crypto assets there, to see the price of crypto assets. Okay, we are now in coin market cap. Let me refresh the page. All right, so Bitcoin is now presently at first, the price right now is $47,750, $47,750, and the second on the list is the Ethereum, and their price now is $3,504. And now, wow, Cardano has taken the third position. It has displaced Binance Coin. And right now it is $2.84, and while Binance Coin is $482.52. So let me take you to the document that I have on those coins that you just need to buy right now in this new month. Okay, best coins to buy in September 2021. Best coins to buy in September. So let me take you through the list and the reasons why you need to buy them. The first on the list is Bitcoin, and the reason is that in the first half of 2021 we saw the crypto market crash and Bitcoin becoming half of all its high to $30, that is to $30,000, because in this year, in the first half of this year, Bitcoin rose to the all-time high of $63,000, and in the same half of the year it dropped to $30,000. Now in August the price bounced back. And now Bitcoin is trading at the value of $47,000. This price drop is a good sign for new crypto investors who want to buy Bitcoins and reap the profit. So because it has never attained its all-time high, this is the best time for you to buy before it attains the all-time high, before we experience another bullish market. So you can invest in Bitcoin now, you can buy more Bitcoin now, though you may not be able to buy a whole because of the price, but you can still buy in units. All right, so now let's check the second one. The second one is Ethereum. Next to Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency. Its blockchain network revolutionized the DeFi, decentralized financial sector, and made way for decentralized apps recently that will improve the transaction fees and reduce Ether's inflation. This change makes it easy for investors to decipher their value of investing in Ether and give miners a fair fee. Okay, so this is the reason why Ethereum, because Ethereum even attained when Bitcoin attained the all-time high of $63,000, Ethereum was very close to $4,000, 4,000, or let's say approximately it was around 39 then, and right now Ethereum is now 3,500. So that is, it has increased more than how it has reduced. You can see in 7 days the percentage increase is 12%, while that of Bitcoin is just 0.12%. You can see the difference. So Ethereum is increasing in price more than Bitcoin. So you can also buy more of Ethereum. So let's check the number 3 coin that I would like you to buy. So this is XRP. XRP is also Ripple. Ripple is one of the most popular utility tokens in the market. Created by Ripple, XRP blockchain platform aims to set up cross-border currencies without any friction. Since its launch, many banks have realized the capabilities of this token, and the volume of transactions on this network has increased. Since then, one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy, XRP has a bright future in the crypto market. So Ripple has been within the first 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. Like 4 years that I personally have an encounter with crypto markets. So it is a promising coin as it has high tendency of increasing in price, though some months ago, because of some announcement, because of the issue they have with the SEC in US, it fall in price, and which led to panic in the heart of most of the investors. So but right now it has bounced back. You can see Ripple is now, let's check the price. Ripple is now in number 6, and the price now is $1.21. So I think it is an opportunity for you to acquire as much as possible. Let's check the fourth. Now this is Cardano, also known as Litecoin. Cardano is known for its proof of stake network. Its open blockchain platform is open source and decentralized. It can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions with its native token ADA. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano is one of the most reliable cryptocurrencies to invest in. Let's check the price of Cardano, and let's see the increments in 7 days: 4.36, in 24 hours 0.59%. So Cardano is also increasing in price rapidly than most of all other cryptocurrencies in between number 1 to 10, as you can see now. So just make sure that you have enough, you buy enough. You can see the price is still very small compared to that of Bitcoin, compared to that of Ethereum. It's very small in price. This is just $2.83. So if you have $28 now, you can buy 10 of these. If you have $280, you can have 100 of these. So you can try as much as possible to acquire as much as possible of this particular coin called Litecoin, Cardano. Alright, so let's check our list for other coins to buy. Yes, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin, originally made as meme, has become a legit cryptocurrency with high potential. It has made enough headlines thanks to Elon Musk's obsession with making cryptocurrency trending. All the hype played in favor of this coin, and its value that grew more than 50% since its inception. It's also one of the cheapest cryptocurrencies to invest in. One of the cheapest. Let's check the price of Dogecoin now. It's just 28 cents. 28 cents. That is 10 of Dogecoin is 1 Cardano. So when you have 28 cents, you can buy 1 Dogecoin. When you have $28, you can have 10 of it. When you have $2.08, 80 cents, you can have 10 of Dogecoin. So when you have yes, $2.08. I'm correct. So you can have $2.08 and have 10 Dogecoin. You can accumulate as many as possible because it is one of the cheapest cryptocurrency that you can buy right now. All right, let's check the other list. Now, Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a token native to the Binance Exchange, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. As long as there is activity on Binance Exchange, Binance Coin will continue to steadily grow. Ranked among the top 6 cryptocurrencies in the world, Binance can be used to trade the cryptocurrencies as well. So the reason for the increment in the price of Binance is that it is widely acceptable, and Binance Exchange is also one of the biggest exchange sites in the world, and probably the major cryptocurrency are being traded there, and they have trading pair with Binance Coin, which is BNB. So that is the reason why it will surely increase in price gradually, and we are going to experience a pump right now. We are going to experience an increment in price of BNB as is being used for trading pair with other major cryptocurrencies in the world. Okay, let's go back to the list. This is number 7 coin. The number 7 coin that I would like you to buy is Litecoin. Litecoin is a rival for Bitcoin's blockchain network. Litecoin aims to pay for everyday goods and services with transactions faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin has been recognized for its practical purpose by market experts and trade merchants. This means Litecoin is a crypto that can suddenly take on a bull run. So the reason why I am also interested in it is that the transaction fee for Litecoin is very low, so it can be an alternative to sending crypto assets. It can be an alternative to Bitcoin because it is very fast, very fast, and it's still. Let's check the price of Litecoin now. You can make your transaction within minutes. So the price is now $175, 0.97% increment in 24 hours and 0.73% increment in 7 days. So you can also buy Litecoin, can accumulate as many as possible. So it's very sure, it's very probably we are going to experience another bull run in Litecoin, and the price will surely skyrocket. So this is the best time for you to buy Litecoin. So let's check the last coin that I have on my list. This is Neocoin. Similar to Ethereum, Neo is a platform for smart contracts. Launched in 2014, Neo mission is to improve Ethereum's network by offering the same utility functions via a more sophisticated blockchain. While Neo's network is superior to Ethereum, it will only reach its full potential in a couple of years. The wait will be worth it for investors. So let's check the price of Neo. Let's check the price. Neocoin. Okay, it's on the number 40. Okay, Neocoin. Okay, here it is, $53. $53, 0.22% in 24 hours, and it fell by 2.18% in the last 7 days. So this is also the best time for you to acquire as many as possible. Buy this coin before the bull run happens. All right, so these are the list of the coins that you can buy in the month of September. So if you can't afford to buy the bigger one, you can buy the smaller one. That I mean, those coins that are very small in price, like Ripple, like Dogecoin, like Neocoin. You can buy them and keep them, and make sure that your wallet is very secured. So keep your login details well. Okay, so and in a very short period of time, you are going to laugh because of the increment in the price of cryptocurrency. So thank you. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell as well. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now. Thanks so much. Don't